Um, this is, traditionally quite a difficult talk for fathers and sons to have, but in this case, it's my duty as your father to tell you it's time for the birds and bees talk. I think it's about time we did that. So I have some props to explain how it works. Every woman has an orange gummy thing like so, and every man has a breadstick shaped um, uh, penis, and so there comes a time when the orange stick thing, the orange gummy thing says, I'm hungry. And I'm hungry. I want some breadstick. And then the breadstick comes along, leaves some crumbs, and from there you have the baby being born.